For problem number 3 and 4, it is different than problem 1 and 2. Instead of using the double setup, we have to use a different factoring method. And so if you look at these, first of all, you'll notice that there's not 3 terms because we usually say something times something equals the last number and the middle number. Usually there's 3. On this one, there's only 2. So it doesn't work. It's not a double setup type of problem. So instead, we are going to think of a different way to factor it. And we're going to use the GCF, the greatest common factor. I like to call it the takeout method. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out what all of the pieces have in common. Okay, so if we look at this piece and the other piece here, hopefully you notice that they both have a 4. 4 times 1 gives you 4, and 4 times 6 gives you 4. Okay, so you're going to take out a 4. This piece has 2 x's, and this piece only has 1 x. So right here, you're going to tell me what you're going to take out, and then in parentheses, you're going to tell me what your leftovers are. Okay, so we've done this in a previous video, in a previous lesson. So hopefully you're remembering that you can take out whatever both pieces have. So both have a 4 and both have an x. So you're going to take out a 4 and an x from each piece. Your leftovers is the stuff you did not take out. I didn't take out this 1x, and then there's the minus sign. And I didn't take out this 6. Okay, so that is how you factor. Now for the solving part. Our instructions were to solve this quadratic. So again, remember, when you're going to solve it, you need to make the y equal to 0. So there's a 0 right here. And 0 equals all of that. So we're first going to make this piece equal to 0. We're going to solve it. So it's going to be 4x equal to 0. And we have to get the x by itself. So we're going to divide by 4, and that just equals 0. So x equals 0. Okay, let's put this up so you can see it better. All right, and then we also have the other piece that we need to solve. Get this right here. Okay, so then we have this x minus 6 piece we could solve, and you can just do that in your head. X is going to equal positive 6. You just switch the sign like we were doing earlier. So x equals 0, comma, and it equals positive 6. X equals both of these things.